Today I'm going to review the MSI Aegis Z2 gaming desktop PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. I'm thrilled to dive into an exciting piece of hardware that could be your next gaming powerhouse, the MSI Aegis Z2 Gaming Desktop 2024. If you're looking for a new rig that can handle everything from the latest AAA games to demanding creative tasks, this might just be what you need. So let's break down why this gaming PC is a must-have and how it can revolutionize your digital experience. The MSI Aegis Z2 is packed with cutting-edge technology and thoughtful features that cater to both gamers and creators. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7700 processor and the NVIDIA Geforce RTX 4060 graphics card, this desktop is designed to deliver outstanding performance and visuals. Let's talk performance. The AMD Ryzen 7 700 CPU boasts a speedy 3.8 GHz clock speed, ensuring that whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing, your experience will be smooth and responsive. Paired with the NVIDIA Geforce RTX 4060 GPU, which is built on the Ada architecture, you get stunning ray trace graphics that make your games look incredibly lifelike. The 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and 1 terabyte M.2 SSD mean you'll have plenty of memory and storage to handle any task with ease. For gamers, this PC is a dream come true. The RTX 4060's ray tracing capabilities and 8 gigabytes of dedicated VRAM ensure that your games run beautifully at high settings. The cooling system is equally impressive, featuring an RGB CPU air cooler and 4 system fans to keep things cool even during intense gaming sessions. With this setup, you can expect smooth, high frame rate gameplay without any thermal throttling. But this isn't just a gaming rig, it's also a versatile tool for creators. The robust specs make it ideal for video editing, 3D rendering, and other creative applications. The large SSD means you'll have ample space for your projects, and the high-speed RAM ensures that your workflows are efficient and lag-free. One of the standout features of the Aegis Z2 is its DIY-friendly design. MSI has made it easy to upgrade components, which means you can customize and enhance your system as needed. Plus, it comes with Windows 11 Home, which provides a modern and user-friendly operating environment for all your computing needs. In terms of connectivity, you've got a range of ports at your disposal. With 4 USB 2.0 ports, 6 USB 3.0 ports, Bluetooth, and 802.11ax Wi-Fi, you'll have no trouble connecting your peripherals and enjoying high-speed internet. The included keyboard and mouse are great additions, so you're all set right out of the box. Now, it's important to consider both sides. One con of the MSI Aegis Z2 is its size. Measuring in at 19.4 by 9.1 by 19 inches and weighing 26.9 pounds, it's a fairly large and heavy desktop. If you're short on desk space or prefer a more compact setup, this might be something to keep in mind. In summary, the MSI Aegis Z2 Gaming Desktop 2024 is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to elevate their gaming and creative endeavors. Its powerful components, excellent cooling system, and ease of upgrade make it a fantastic investment. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a professional creator, this PC is built to handle your needs and then some. Just be prepared for its sizable footprint. If you'd like to get this gaming PC for yourself at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.